Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hope you all are doing great and is safe at your homes. And in today's class we are going to study about adjectives. So adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about a noun or pronoun. They add basically something to the meaning of the noun and pronoun. The words like big, small, bad, cruel, kind, sweet are all adjectives. Okay, so all these adjectives have different kind of qualities in them that we'll study in the kind of noun. तो adjectives क्या होते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमें कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हैं उस नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में एंड दे ऐड समथिंग टू द मीनिंग. ठीक है. और एडजेक्टिव या फिर एक सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव की पोजीशन क्या होती है, या फिर इट विल बी क्लोज टू नाउन्स और इट विल बी क्लोज टू वर्ब्स. बी वर्ब्स इज एम आर वर्ब्स की क्लोज होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डॉग इज अ फेथफुल एनिमल. तो इज के बाद आया बी फॉर्म के वर्ड के बाद एंड इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द faith about the animal who is faithful. Faithful is the adjective. Many people visited the Taj, so it is describing the number of the people that visited Taj, that is many. So now we will study the kinds of adjectives. Firstly, we will study the adjectives of quality. So adjectives of quality is basically describing basically the kind or the quality of a noun. तो किस तरीके का वो नाउन है, क्या क्वालिटी उस नाउन की, बेसिकली उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताता है और ये एक क्वेश्चन आंसर करता है व्हाट काइंड ऑफ. ठीक है. अभी हम सेंटेंस, अगर हमें पता लगाना है कि किसी सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी है तब हमें उस सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन को पुट करना पड़ेगा व्हाट काइंड ऑफ. So Aman is my best friend. So what kind of friend? Best friend. So best is the adjective of quality here. They are cruel people. What kind of people? They are cruel people. So adjective of quality tells us about the quality of a noun or a pronoun. उसकी importance बताता है, उसकी characteristics बताता है. अब हम बात करते हैं adjectives of quantity के बारे में. और एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी इंडिकेट करता है एक अमाउंट या क्वांटिटी जो कि नाउन और प्रोनाउन को बिलोंग करती है. और इट विल ऑलवेज बी अनकाउंटेबल. तो वो क्वांटिटी अनकाउंटेबल होगी जो एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी डिस्क्राइब करता है, डिनोट करता है, इंडिकेट करता है और ये आंसर करता है द क्वेश्चन हाउ मच. Some adjectives of qualities are some, no, much, little, enough, whole, great. They are the examples of the adjectives of quality. Let us have a look at these examples. Virat showed much patience. So यहाँ पर patience के बारे में describe किया है much and we cannot count. So the adjective of quantity always are telling about the quantities which are uncountable. Patience is a feeling which is uncountable, right? We have enough time to finish the work. हमें कितना टाइम, हमें enough time, हम गिन नहीं सकते उस टाइम को 1 or 2 hour, बट हमें बहुत वक्त दे के हम उस काम को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. तो enough is adjective of quantity here. Okay, now we'll be talking about the adjectives of number. So the adjectives of number, they tell how many people at a time are being talked of. कितने लोगों के बारे में आप बात कर सकते हो. और ये काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल दोनों होते हैं. और ये वो adjectives of जो quantity था वो डिस्क्राइब कर रहा था how much, और ये बताता है how many. It is answering the question how many and they are of 3 kinds. सबसे पहले है definite numeral adjective जो बताता है exact number बताता है 1, 2, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. तो डेफिनेट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव भी 2 तरीकों से बनते हैं. तो डेफिनेट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव दो तरीकों के होते हैं, कार्डिनल एंड ऑर्डिनल. सो व्हाट आर कार्डिनल? इट बेसिकली टेल्स अस अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट नंबर लाइक 1, 2, 3, 60, 80, 90, 55. So they are the examples of cardinal which can be counted. We can count those number of things actually. For example, Jatin has been working in this organization for 25 years. For how many years Jatin has been working? 25. So 25 is adjective which is cardinal in the sentence. A cardinal adjective. So ordinals ordinal is a kind of adjective which shows the order of people like first, second, third, last. Okay, they are the examples of ordinal. Today is the last day of the carnival. Which day of the carnival? Last day of the carnival. Basically ordinal denotes something which is in series. Okay. Now we'll be talking after studying the definite numeral adjectives. We will study indefinite numeral adjective. These adjectives, they do not denote the exact number. They words like few, all, several, certain, most are the examples of indefinite numeral adjectives. तो दूसरे तरीके का adjective है वो indefinite numeral adjective है जो exact number नहीं बताता है. तो ऐसे words जैसे कि few, several, no, certain, most ये सारे indefinite numeral adjectives के example हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास आर हार्ड वर्किंग. तो ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स जो क्लास में है वो हार्ड वर्किंग है. तो ज़्यादातर मोस्ट, ओके, इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द क्वांटिटी बट इट विल नॉट डिनोट द एग्जैक्ट नंबर. ओके, बट इट विल बी यूज्ड विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स. अब बात करते हैं हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव के बारे में. तो जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव है वो बात करता है नंबर ऑफ पीपल या थिंग्स, वन एट अ टाइम. इट इज डीलिंग वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एवरी, ईच, ईदर, नीदर, अनदर आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लाइक distributive numeral adjective. For example, each student will get a different set of questions in the test. तो हर बच्चे को अलग अलग, तो it is dealing with one child at a time. So it is distributing one child at a time who will get a different kind of set of question paper. Okay, so अब बात करते हैं इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स की. तो इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स हमेशा नाउन के साथ यूज आते हैं एंड द बेसिक पर्पस ऑफ अ इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव इज टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट अ नाउन. तो इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव प्लस नाउन बनता है इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव का टोटल सेंटेंस. एंड ऐसे वर्ड्स जैसे हु, हुज, विच, है ना, and what are the examples of interrogative adjective, and it is always followed by a noun or a pronoun. Okay, whose pen is this? So whose pen is this? यहाँ पर इसके पास एक नाउन है पेन. Okay, it is which flowers do you like? It is associated with the noun flowers. So after an interrogative adjective, always what will be used is a noun or a pronoun. So now the fifth kind of adjective that we are going to talk about is demonstrative adjective. So they are pointing out a person or thing that they are referring to. ये point out करता है जिसके बारे में ये बात करता है. Then they are asking the question, or they ask the question which one or which ones. कौन सा और कौन सा ज़्यादा. One is singular and one's plural. So the demonstrative adjectives like this, that, such, those, these, and certain and such are the examples of demonstrative adjectives. For example, this school is mine. Which one? This. That teacher is good. Which one? That one. So demonstrative adjectives are pointing out what they are talking about. Okay, so demonstrative adjectives point out a noun or a pronoun which they are referring to in a sentence. Now we will be discussing about possessive adjectives, which shows ownership or possession, and it says that something that belongs to you, something that belongs to us, something is his. So they are answering the question whose. If you will put whose against the if you'll put whose replacing the adjective, you will get the answer. Okay, like words like my, own, his, her, and its, and there are the examples of possessive adjective. For example, this is my book. Whose book? My book. Ask, our house is on the main road. So our house is, whose house is in the main road? Our house. So our is a possessive adjective, and after a possessive adjective there will always be a noun and a pronoun. Now we'll be talking about proper adjectives. So proper adjectives are basically derived from proper noun. And what are proper noun? Proper noun denotes particular things, okay, and they always begin with capital letters. It can be the name of geographical locations like countries, states, and continents, and they are often used to So it tells us about the source and the origin, where the thing has been extracted from. Chinese stories are famous all over the world. Chinese stories are famous all over this world. So from China we have derived Chinese story. So Chinese is a proper adjective. We ordered Indian food at the restaurant. So which food? Indian food you ordered, and from India you derive the word Indian. So that is proper adjective, which is derived from proper nouns. Okay, now we'll be talking about the emphasizing adjectives. So emphasizing adjectives are, laying stress upon a noun or a pronoun, emphasis upon a noun or a pronoun, and words like own, very, complete, total, pure, genuine, perfect are the example of emphasizing, because they emphasize the feelings, okay, strong feelings. For example, I made the candles with my own hand. So here own is laying emphasis, मैंने अपने खुद के हाथों से बनाया. So own is a emphasizing adjective here. This is a very place we saw him yesterday. तो ये वही जगह है. It is pointing out, it is emphasizing, it is laying stress on that very place that they saw him yesterday. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.